Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video and I'm in a new location. I'm in my bedroom right now because I am redoing my entire bedroom, and the first part of this series is going to be on one of the main cores of any bedroom. I'm going to unbox my new Lull mattress with you guys. When I decided to redo my bedroom, I knew I needed to get a new mattress because the last one I had, it just didn't give my back a lot of support, and I just felt like I wanted something a lot higher quality but not for a really expensive price point. So when I was doing some research online, I came across Lull and I knew I had to try it out. And I'm super excited that I'm gonna be partnering with Lull on today's video. Basically, Lull, you order your mattress online and you get it delivered right to your door, so it's so convenient, and unboxing it is super simple, which you're gonna see in a second. It does not take much time at all. I know you probably have some questions about ordering a mattress online because you can't feel it like you would be able to in a store. Lull offers a 100-night trial, so you could try out the mattress for 100 days, and if you don't love it, you could return it for free. So they have free shipping, so that's really nice as well. So it gets delivered to your door, and it was super easy to unbox. So you're gonna see that right now.
Wasting this time that I borrowed, running too fast for the sun, and my eyes, they still burn for tomorrow.
So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, any review of my brand new Lull mattress. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Also have all the information on my Lull mattress and my coupon code. I'll have that in the description box. Also, before you leave this video, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on my bedroom reveal on all my fashion and beauty and lifestyle videos as well. So that's gonna be it for today's video, and I will see you all in my next one very soon. Bye.